Hello friends. So today we'll learn about how to change material price in SAP MM module. Imagine that you receive a material from a vendor and after completing the GR and payment process, you realize that an additional payment is to be done to the vendor. Now this additional payment might be done by finance through non-PO route, and in that case you will have to update the price of your material manually. Or let's say that you need to do some third party payment against your PO. Let's say that you have to pay to some freight vendor and you did not enter the freight condition in your purchase order. And once the freight invoice is received, finance makes the payment through a non-PO route, that is through FB60. And that amount then you'll have to update in your material price manually. So today we'll learn how you can update your price of your material manually through a T Code MR21. So let's get started. So let's go to T Code MR21. Here you have posting date, company code and plant, and here you can enter some document header text. Let's enter repricing here and then we'll press enter, and here you have to enter the material code for which you have to change the price. You can enter multiple material codes here for which you want to change the price. So let's enter one material code here, and if you press enter, you can see here that the system will show you the current valuation price. Now this current valuation price is coming from the material master. We can verify it through the material master T code, that is MM03. So let's see there. So we'll go to T code MM03, then we'll enter the material code, and then in accounting one view, if we go there, enter plant code, and you can see here the valuation class of the material is shown. Then you can see here the per unit price is shown here, and the price control is V, that is moving average price. If you take a drop down, V means moving average price, and the stock of this material is also shown here, which is 10 units. Okay, so if you do a repricing of this material, because stock is lying, so there will be a financial document posted in the background. Okay, so currently your unit price is $100, you can see here. So let's change its price to MR21. So we'll go to the MR21 transaction again, and here we'll enter a new price. Let's enter 120 US dollars, and we'll press enter, and then we'll save. So you can see here the price change document is posted. If you want to display this document, then we can go here and click on display document and press enter. So you can see here the price change document is shown. Your price was $100, which you have changed to $120 here. And if you want to see the accounting document, then you have to click here, and then we can see the accounting document by double clicking here. So you can see here that the inventory GL was debited, and there is a price difference account, that is a repricing account, which has been credited. You can see a GL code is coming here. Now this repricing GL is configured under transaction key UMB. This is a very important transaction key. This key is called whenever you do a repricing of a material through T code MR21. Okay, so this GL is called through this transaction key, and this is the inventory GL. You can see the transaction key BSX coming here. So you have a debit entry in this inventory GL and a credit entry in the repricing GL. This means that the price of the material has increased, and you can verify it again in the material master. So let's see that in material master also. So if we go in MM03, and if we see the accounting one view again, enter the plant code, and if I go down here, you can see the unit price has changed to $120 now. Earlier it was 100, and now per unit price is 120, and the total price has changed to 1200 US dollars. So this is how you change the price of a material through T code MR21. And if you want to verify the GL also, then you can go to T code OBYC, where the automatic account determination GLs are configured. So if you go to OBYC, then if you see the transaction key UMB, let's see that. So you can see here gain or loss from revaluation is entered as UMB here. If I double click here, chart of accounts you have to enter and press enter. You can see against the valuation class 3040 the GL is configured here, and this GL only was called when we did the repricing transaction and the accounting document got posted. So this is how you change the price of a material through T code MR21. I hope that you have liked this video. If you like my videos, then please like and subscribe to my channel, and please share to your friends so that my videos get maximum reach. Thanks a lot for supporting me. Thank you.